How to use ChatGPT to learn large language models. You can use ChatGPT to learn about large language models, such as GPT-2 and GPT-3, and how they work. Here are some steps you can take to get started. 1. Familiarize yourself with the basics of natural language processing, NLP. This will give you a foundation for understanding how large language models work. There are many resources available online that can help you learn NLP, including tutorials, courses, and books. 2. Read up on large language models like GPT-2 and GPT-3. These models are among the most advanced language models currently available, and they have been used for a wide range of applications, including language translation, content generation, and question answering. There are many resources available online that can help you learn about these models, including research papers, blog posts, and online articles. 3. Experiment with generating text using ChatGPT. One of the best ways to learn about large language models is to try them out yourself. You can use ChatGPT to generate text on a wide range of topics, from news and politics to science and technology. As you experiment with generating text, pay attention to the patterns and structures that emerge, and try to identify the ways in which the model is able to generate coherent and fluent text. 4. Join online communities and forums that discuss large language models. There are many online communities and forums that are dedicated to discussing large language models like GPT-2 and GPT-3. Joining these communities can give you access to a wealth of knowledge and resources, as well as opportunities to connect with other people who are interested in the same topics. Some popular communities include the OpenAI forum, the GPT-3 Discord server, and the machine learning subreddit. 5. Attend online courses or workshops. Courses or workshops that focus on large language models such as GPT-2 and GPT-3. You can enroll in these courses to learn about the latest developments in NLP and learn how to train or fine-tune these models for specific tasks. Remember that learning about large language models like GPT-2 and GPT-3 can be challenging, but also incredibly rewarding. By putting in the time and effort to learn about these models, you can gain a deeper understanding of how AI is changing the field of NLP and how it can be used to solve real-world problems. Here are some additional resources to help you learn more about large language models. An Introduction to Natural Language Processing by Yoav Goldberg. This is a comprehensive online textbook that covers the basics of NLP, including topics like language modeling, part-of-speech tagging, and named entity recognition. The book includes many examples and exercises to help you practice what you learn. The Illustrated GPT-2 by J. Lemmer. This is an online article that explains how GPT-2 works in a visual and intuitive way. The article includes many examples of text generated by GPT-2, as well as explanations of the underlying concepts. GPT-3, Language Models Are Few-Shot Learners by OpenAI. This is a research paper that describes the architecture and capabilities of GPT-3, one of the most advanced large language models currently available. The paper includes many examples of text generated by GPT-3, as well as evaluations of its performance on various language tasks. The OpenAI Forum. This is a community forum where researchers, developers, and enthusiasts can discuss AI, NLP, and other related topics. The forum includes many discussions about large language models like GPT-2 and GPT-3, as well as tutorials, code examples, and news updates.